Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. Today we're going to be looking at the Technics. Now, these earbuds come in 4 different colors. They come in silver, black, champagne gold, and this beautiful midnight blue here that I absolutely love. I think these are the sweet spot for a nice subtle set of earbuds that won't draw too much attention, but I don't like black earbuds that much, like the color black of earbuds, because I have so many of them. But some earbuds, I like to choose a right color. And so I started off with that to say that, man, these are beautiful. It has like a little metallic design on the top there. And they just look really cool. And then if you go around it, you can see here, the active noise canceling microphones and everything. You can see the magnetic connection there for charging. And you can actually see the tip for the bud there. That's important because these buds come with 5 different sets. Now these are the defaults, which I think are about a medium or so. I think they're about a medium, but they feel phenomenal. So you'll be able to choose what size you want for your bud when you pick them up. Now, a quick spec rundown on these buds. They are, as I put them in backwards. Yeah, I got them right. The spec rundown is pretty important. Oop, I did have them wrong. A spec rundown is pretty important because here's where some will question, like, man, $299? These cost $299, $299. And so, you know, figuring out what you think might be the middle ground for a good set of earbuds or on the high end set of earbuds, here's what these have to offer. A magnetic fluid driver for low distortion. And so that means the bass is going to be pretty accurate and it'll sound really good at higher resolutions. So it has active noise canceling technology to adjust in real time to block ambient noise. So the active noise canceling is always on. And it has focus voice AI technology to reduce noise not only during speaking, but also during listening. And I think that is something that's going to be very crucial for me because I do a lot of phone calls and some of my phone calls are about an hour long. And there's nothing worse than having to be on the phone with someone and you can hear everything that's going on their side. And then when you speak, they're like, oh, you're super clear. Yeah, that should take care of that. Spatial audio, so these will work good with iPhone and Android devices and your Macs and your PCs, whatever. They should link up pretty good, but anything that has spatial audio technology is going to be optimized for those and Dolby Atmos head tracking. And you connect these to 3 different devices. So that's really cool, man. I really could appreciate what they're doing here. Now, one thing I saw after having these for 2 days, the application is on point. I really like this application. It's user-friendly. It's got big numbers. It tells you the exact number for the case and each earbud. It's just in your face, which is actually a good thing. The settings with the equalizer, everything is so easy to understand. And some apps can actually be overwhelming and people don't want to use the app and they end up missing out on the equalizer feature where they can adjust the sounds to what they want to. Now, speaking of sound, these sound really good. As you would expect, the price tag should not dictate whether something sounds good or not. But when you start to spend $300 on earbuds, you want them to sound different than the $49 earbuds that you can find as well online. I have a link to these down below, but I think these are a really good set of earbuds. And I've had to pick one con, and you guys know that I gotta have some con with these. It's gonna be the case. The case is a little flimsy, so it doesn't have a strong magnet on either side. This is a magnet here for when it's closed, but the hinge is not very strong. And so when you do the shake test, these are probably going to fall out if you drop them at the wrong angle or they fall out of your pocket or your bag or whatever you're using. These earbuds might fall out of the case and they might go onto the ground. So I do case testing for that reason when I have an earbud, because if you got a strong magnet in the case, it's probably going to be a beautiful set of earbuds that hold well if they're dropped. People do drop their earbuds, folks. I do all the time. I work out every day. And you definitely can, when I have, like if I'm going for a walk or I decide to do a slight jog, and if these are in the wrong position and they fall out or I just drop them, they will more than likely fall out based on this case right here. Comparing it to other products that I have with a very strong magnet where it just doesn't shake very well, close up or open very well, that's actually a good thing for me. But battery life is what you would expect. It's going to be great on battery life. And again, you can't hook these to 3 different things. And so devices, so you can have it to, if you have 3 phones like me, you can have it hooked to all 3 phones. If you have it a laptop, a phone, and a tablet, it's going to work either way for you. But check these out, man. I'll have a link in the description. I think these sound really good. I have earbuds that cost more than this, more like $600 earbuds. And, you know, after a while, you start to not tell the difference. So I always promote earbuds that are $20 all the way up to my most expensive earbuds. And then these are like a middle ground. These are $300, but $300 isn't a drop in the bucket for most people. But in the end, I think if you were to decide to pick these up, I don't think you'll be disappointed with how nice these actually sound, because that's the most important part. How do they sound, and what is that battery life like? And so you'll easily make it through several days with these, depending on how you're using them. And for me, it's just going to be casual listening to music while I'm walking or working out, or I'm somewhere where I don't want to hear anyone, like I'm walking through a strip mall or something. That's where these get lots of play. So links in the description, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.